Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making a classic French lemon tart from scratch. Super easy and so impressive. Let's do this. First thing, we're going to grease our tart case with a nice generous amount of butter and coat it with flour, capping off the excess and placing in the fridge for later. Alright, now for the pastry. In a bowl, add 150 grams of flour, 50 grams of sugar and mix to evenly distribute the sugar. Now add in 100 grams of unsalted butter and incorporate it in using your fingertips until it comes together like wet sand. This is what you want. Now tip it out onto your bench and work it a bit just until it forms a smooth dough. You don't want to overwork it. That would make it elastic and chewy. Once you've done that, set out to one side. Now you're going to roll out the pastry between two sheets of cling film and roll it out between 1.5 to 3 millimeters thickness. Now gently place the pastry on top of the tart shell and using the cling film to your advantage, gently ease it into the corners. Using a cling film will also keep it nice and smooth. Now remove the cling film and trim off the excess. Now we're going to blind bake the tart case using oven safe cling film and ceramic baking beads. You can use copper coins as well. Bake at 200 for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the baking beans and cook for an additional 5 to 10 minutes. Now set to one side while we make the filling. Crack 4 eggs into a bowl. Remove the zest and juice 3 lemons and pour into the bowl. Add 150 grams of caster sugar and 30 milliliters of double cream, that's optional though, and whisk it together until smooth. Now you're going to cook this over a bain-marie, aka a pan of simmering water with a bowl on top, to 75 degrees Celsius. Now remove from the heat and strain. Now whisk in, little by little, 115 grams of cold butter until it's fully incorporated. This will emulsify the mixture and make it easier to set. The more time you take whisking, the more light the tart will be. Once it's lovely and smooth and incorporated, it's time to fill your tart case up. Once you've filled it up, place it in the fridge for a minimum of 5 hours, preferably overnight. And there you have it, a delicious French style lemon tart. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so you don't miss out any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, take care, see you guys in a bit.